Welcome back to Tea with Shreya. Hi, I'm Shreya with double E's, and this is going to be a let's paint, like sit and paint and process the year 2025 kind of a video because I thought that while I'll paint, I can talk about the year 2025 because honestly, this year has been such a roller coaster ride for me. Like, बिना warning, बिना seat belt के ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे. That is exactly how this year has been for me with so many ups and so many downs. So yeah, this is sit with me, paint with me kind of a video, and I'll be finishing my Radha Krishna painting. It is a paint by number. I will link it in the description if you all wanna buy it. It comes with a few paint brushes and paints and stuff, and it's very soothing for me personally because I really enjoyed the whole process. So yeah, grab a coffee and just exist with me for a bit. Let's paint and process. I am not going in with like a whole plan today because that is exactly how this year went for me. Like zero planning and maximum plot twists. So yeah, without further ado, without further ado, let's get going. Ta-da! This is the painting that I'm going to be working on. Here are the paints. These are all by numbers, and you guys can see that like there are all numbers on this as well. These are my paint brushes, and this is the time. Oopsie! This is the time lapse camera, and yeah. So let's get to the video. So, this painting is kind of a metaphor for this year because you know how paintings are usually very messy, very rough in the beginning, and very confusing in the middle because there are so many colors to choose from, so many choices to make, so many decisions to take, and it's all very confusing. But when slowly and steadily you consistently make those choices and do the stuff, you'll reach a place where like when you look back and you're like satisfied कि नहीं यार जो भी किया ये साल बहुत अच्छा गया. And this painting is exactly what this year has been for me. And 2025 had highs that made me feel like I am finally figuring things out. मतलब मैं सब मतलब अब तो ये करना ये कर लूँगी मतलब फुल लाइफ सेट है मेरी. और देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स कि मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि हाँ मुझे कुछ नहीं पता मेरा तो पूरा सब बर्बाद हो गया है. तो एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर ये पूरा साल मेरे लिए रहा है. एंड देयर वर मोमेंट्स जब मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता था वेर आई फेल्ट मोर क्रिएटिव मोटिवेटेड टू डू स्टफ. एंड देन देर हैव बिन मोमेंट्स जब मैं सब क्वेश्चन करा करती थी कि मैं क्यों हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मतलब ऐसे होता है ये वो. मैं सब क्वेश्चन कर लिया था, मतलब ओवर थिंक का भी ओवर थिंक कर लिया था मैंने इस साल. तो या एंड I think this year really taught me that growth isn't aesthetic. Hear it again. Growth isn't aesthetic. It's not all flowers and rainbows and pretty colors. Growth is a very, very, very big word itself. I mean, it's uncomfortable, it's messy, and sometimes very quiet. Like, you have no clue that what you're doing, where you are, how will you figure it out. But slowly and steadily, when you look back, you see that you've grown. When I started this, I didn't know that I'm going to have even like 5 subscribers. But I have a few now, and I'm genuinely very proud of it. And I genuinely love you all. So, yeah, I used to panic. Like, अगर मुझे किसी चीज़ के बारे में नहीं पता होता था, like, अगर मैं अब क्या करूँगी, I didn't, if I didn't know what I was doing next, I used to panic, like, panic attack, panic. Like, panic in caps, panic. And 2025 has showed me that it's okay to sit in the uncertainty for a bit. You know, the whole mess, the whole confusion. It's okay to sit with it and then move towards clarity, because clarity comes. Okay, trust me. In the chaos, there will be one door, one path where you will finally feel that you're figuring it out. Like, finally, you know, you have clarity in your life. And you just have to make sure that you know that clarity does come, but not on your timeline. It won't come when you want it to come. Because when we're so focused on the chaos, clarity is also a part of the chaos. So when you sit for a bit, when you breathe for a bit, when you rest for a bit, clarity will come on its own timeline. So this is my favorite thing I've learned this year, and this is something that I'll be keeping with me very close to my heart in those upcoming years of my life. That first, growth isn't aesthetic. Second, clarity will come, but not on my timeline. It will come on its own timeline. A very important thing that I've learned this year is that कि rest करना is not laziness. To take a break is not procrastinating. You know, कि this was a very hard lesson that I've learned. कि taking breaks doesn't mean कि तुम, like, you're falling behind. You know, taking breaks is like कि no, you're like resting, you're breathing. It means that you're listening to yourself. मतलब you're finally in a state where you know कि तुम्हें खुद की भी बातें एक बार सुननी पड़ेगी. So that is what I've learned. This year also taught me to trust my creative instincts, because अगर मैंने वो नहीं किया होता, Tiva Shreya would have not happened. And thanks to a lot of my friends, especially Radhika and everybody, who have always like told me कि नहीं ना, do it now, make it now. So more kisses to all of you. And yeah, so it taught me to trust my creative instincts a little more, and not everything needs validation, and like not everyone needs to understand what you're doing, girl. Sabko, I don't care. I mean, this is what the most important and critical things that I've learned this year is that not everybody has to understand what I'm doing, what I'm up to, or who am I, or who I want to be, or who I want to become. Nobody has to like fully be logged in कि नहीं भाई मैं तो श्रेया को ऐसे full समझता हूँ. Like, you don't have to, and I don't force them, and I don't expect them to do that, because I don't need the validation. Like, मुझे अगर ये चीज़ सही लग रही है, मुझे अगर ये चीज़ से खुशी मिल रही है और मुझे ये करना है, तो बस करना है. मुझे तुम्हारी वैलिडेशन की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. लाइक, एंड यू टू, all the people who are watching my videos, you don't need those validations. If you know कि तुम कुछ कर रहे हो, तुम consistent हो, तुम disciplined हो, तुम लाइफ में कहीं किसी डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ रहे हो, तो वैलिडेशन की तुम्हें ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You do you. Okay, girlies? You do you. And I've also learned कि अगर मेरे लिए मुझे कुछ सही लगता है, तो that one reason is enough to try. कि अगर मुझे सही लगा कि मुझे इंस्टाग्राम खोलना है, यूट्यूब चैनल बनाना है, तो that one reason is enough for me to go into that direction, explore that field. So yeah, and of course, as this year has been a roller coaster, कुछ चीज़ें मेरे लिए वर्कआउट नहीं की, and कुछ चीज़ें they failed. Some plans didn't survive, but I survived. And that counts. मैं जिंदा रह गई हूँ, प्लान्स वगैरह नहीं किया, बस मैं जिंदा हूँ. And I think मैं जिंदा हूँ is the ultimate line that I'm going to use up, because हाँ, क्या हुआ, मैं जिंदा हूँ, कुछ भी हुआ बोलो, मैं जिंदा हूँ. And I think that one reason is enough to just be all yay. I think one more thing that I've learned this year is that I'm allowed to change. I think I've realized okay, it's okay no to change thoda sa. Like it's okay to mold out of old places, to shape into new beings and everything. So this is what 2025 has been for me. And this is what it has taught me, and this is what I'll be taking to the next year. And yeah. And this painting is going to be gifted to my nanny because she loves Radha Krishna and she loves watching the show Radha Krishna that comes on TV. And yeah, so love you all. YOLO, guys. No, my friend Maitri has taught me to say YOLO instead of YOLO because you only die once. You get to live every day, so make every day count. I hope you all have gotten a lot of stuff to pick up and take with you today. And yeah, that's it for today's video. This is Tea with Shreya and Shreya with double E's signing off.